Hello everyone, we just got to the top of Mount Baldy, California, elevation 10,064 feet. And it is awesome up here. And I just wanted to tell you all that nature is calling you. I want to give you guys a real quick panoramic view of what I see right now. Okay, there's friend and husband. Mountains. We are just surrounded by mountains right now. It is so beautiful. And I want you guys to know that we're not meant to live in a concrete world, to feel concrete under our feet every day of our lives. Get out there and feel earth under your feet. I know there's nature everywhere. You guys have either lakes or mountains or hills or ocean or maybe just a beautiful, huge green field. Just get out there and get into nature and move that body. All right, well, if you liked this message, tweet it, Facebook it, give me some comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.